guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a limited edition Spring March box by LookFantastic. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received this limited edition Spring March box for 2021. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much, LookFantastic, for sending me your limited edition box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, I cannot wait to dive in here and see what's going to be in here. This box it looks to me a little bit wider or taller than their normal beauty boxes, which I love because I always tell you guys I save these. These are constructed so well. These are so nice to save. You can use them as gift boxes, to store anything. I have them throughout my entire house storing different things. So I absolutely love their very well constructed boxes. So this is what it looks like this month. It is all pink and it has LookFantastic right there. So let's dive in and see what's going to be in this limited edition box. Now, it does say the Hero limited edition. So that's what this one is called, the Hero limited edition. And looking at their site, this is still available. It's $40 for this particular box and it has a value of $150 or higher. And if you would like to check out this box or their monthly beauty box, they gave me a new code this month. I'm so excited. It's a 22% off. So the link down below already has the code built in and it'll give you 22% off if you'd like to check out this limited edition box or their monthly subscription box. So down inside of this magazine, it will go over the products that will be inside of here as well. And on here, it does actually show what the prices are per item. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what's going to be in here. This is what it looks like when you first open it up. And then when you remove the tissue paper, that's what's inside. There's a lot of items in here, you guys. I love their limited edition boxes. So if you're actually subscribed to them, they'll send you emails to kind of tell you what to be on the lookout for, what's coming up, so you can actually order it ahead of time, which I actually really like. So let's go ahead and just dive in and see what's all going to be in here. The first item, it says Verso Micellar. So there's that right there. Let me go ahead and find that in this magazine. This right here is valued for $6 and it is a 1 fluid ounce. Wipe away the day's makeup, dirt, and grime with this micellar water. Infused with molecules that attract and lift impurities away from the skin like a magnet. Verso aims to turn back the clock with simple and effective anti-aging products. And this micellar water is the perfect all-around product to cleanse, firm, and hydrate. That sounds awesome. How to use: soak a cotton pad in the micellar water and sweep across and over the face to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. So there's item number 1. Number 2 is a Pore product. This is a foaming cream cleanser. Ooh, I cannot wait to try that. This right here is valued for $4. It's the Deluxe Mini 0.6 fluid ounce. This nourishing cream to foam, soap-free cleanser is formulated with naturally soothing Greek yogurt and is gentle enough for sensitive skin. Greek yogurt, the key ingredient, specifically delivers an instantly soothing, cooling sensation with a super dose of pre and prebiotics to nourish the skin. Massage a dime-size amount gently into wet skin and rinse off with plenty of water. So there's that, again, valued at $4. Now we have in here is something from Juice Beauty. Ooh, that's a really good brand. This says the Organic Solution Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. Ooh, that sounds nice. Let me find this guy here. This is the deluxe size. It is a 0.5 fluid ounce, and this is valued for $10. This is a bamboo charcoal and not colon, but how do you say that? Kaolin. Kaolin clay is the mask to help detox your skin. The aspen bark will also help soothe, hydrate, and exfoliate with polyhydroxy acids for a softer, smoother complexion. And again, Juice Beauty is a booty. That's what it is. It's a good brand. There's your booty. All right, you guys. So moving right along. This right here, it says Cell Revitalize Night Moisturizer. Ooh, I see the word lavender, rose, and mandarin. Really? 2 out of the 3? There's that. This right here is valued for $48. Holy moly, I wish I could use you. It says, this ultra-rich, hydrating night cream fuses probiotic ingredients with plant and flower botanicals to transform the skin's luminosity. The signature probiotic ingredients continuously protect, restore, and balance the skin from within by calming the natural immune triggers in your skin that can be overstimulated by pollution and stress. At night, after cleansing, apply to face, neck, and massage. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive. So that is what it looks like for the packaging. But unfortunately, with those words, rose and lavender on there, I don't want to risk getting a migraine or anything like that because those trigger my senses like really bad. So I'm going to go ahead and just save this and put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. So there's awesome. I love sharing with you guys. Next item in here is a clinical defining foam conditioner. So there's that. This is valued for $12. It's the deluxe 1.5 fluid ounce. This gentle self-foaming conditioner infuses weightless, nourishing moisture to delicate thinning hair for healthy body and movement. It's formulated with amla, Indian gooseberry, and red clover to increase moisture and hydration to the hair for fuller and softer results. Shake well before use. Dispense an egg-sized amount into the palm and distribute throughout damp hair, focusing on mid-shaft to ends. Then rinse thoroughly. So this is straight like a conditioner they use in the shower. It's in a foam. I've never seen that before. That's really cool. And again, that's valued for $12. Okay, so now we have is eye and lip cream. There's what the box looks like. Who is this? The Organic Pharmacy. There we go. Lip and eye cream, full size, 0.3 fluid ounce, valued for $49. So this guy is $49 for this little thing right there. And this says, this ultra rich and nourishing cream provides a soothing treatment to the delicate eye and lip area. Its balmy texture combines eye bright, fennel, and bilberry to revive, aloe vera to heal, and frankincense to add a subtle fragrance and treat dryness. Smooth all over eye and lip contour morning and night. Make sure to be extra gentle on these delicate areas. $49 for this. Holy moly, there's no way in hell it's been almost $50 for this little tiny eye cream. So it's probably really, really good. And I'm actually excited because yeah, we definitely need to take care of our skin. So I'm super excited about that product right there. Now we have is, this says Skin Decoded Hand and Body Replenisher. Let's find this one. This is a deluxe 0.6 fluid ounce, valued for $8. This adapts to all your skin needs, providing your skin with a customized treatment that gently exfoliates, moisturizes, and provides essential antioxidants for a softer, smoother appearance. Consider this a corrective, intensive body cream that helps reduce imperfections, including breakouts, stretch marks, pigmentation, dry skin, and more. Apply liberally all over body and massage once or twice a day. Apply post hair removal to prevent ingrown hairs and follicles. Oh, that's nice. There's that. And it looks like we have one more item in here, you guys. That is this right here. It's a daily detox massaging brush. This is the full size and it's valued for $18. Break up cellulite deposits and remove old dry skin with this massage brush. Its responsibly sourced natural bristles and rubber nodules also stimulate and increase blood flow and circulation while removing dead skin cells for a beautiful, healthy glow. Before the shower, use the brush to massage dry skin in a circular motion on the body. Apply moisturizer or oil post-shower to replenish skin. Dry or wet, scrub and repeat. So you can use it dry or wet. Let's get it open so we can take a look at it. That's cool that it helps with blood flow and circulation. Ooh, and it even has like a nice little handle at the top. This kind of reminds me of a horse brush though. And that's the first thing that came to mind. Yay! Let me get some of these little bristles off. So it holds on your hand just like that. And you can sit there and just rub your skin in circular motions. These are not too strong of bristles. Like they're not like very stiff or anything. They're very mobile. And then you do have these little rubber nodules, as they're calling it, that are down inside. But yeah, that's actually really neat. So going over this limited edition box, you have the daily brush, you have a conditioner, you have a cleanser, you have a skin decoded, you can use on any part of your skin. You have a bamboo pore refining mask. You have a micellar water. You have a lip and eye cream that's $49 by itself. And then another 40-something item is this guy right here that'll go to one of you guys. And yeah, so that is everything that came in this box, you guys. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the items that are in here? Do you think this is worth the $40 with the free shipping for this limited edition box? If you want a little bit more information about LookFantastic, I do have a link down below. If you do a month to month, it's $19 per month. If you do 3 months, it brings it to $18. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $17. And if you go to the whole 12 months, it brings it to $16. And this month, you can use my code for the 22% off. You'll receive a curated collection of 6 beauty products with a guaranteed worth of over $60. They always have free international shipping as well, which is absolutely amazing because it can go anywhere, no extra fees to ship this box to. So that is everything that I have for you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.